Hey there! So, imagine you're trying to restore a Docker.raw file, and you run into this peculiar problem. The file claims to be 64 gigabytes, but in reality, it only occupies 5 gigabytes on your disk. When attempting to restore it from Time Machine, you're hit with a surprising roadblock. Despite having 78 gigabytes of free space, Time Machine insists you need to free up an additional 54 gigabytes, which doesn't quite add up. Talk about a head scratcher, right? Well, fear not, as there's a solution to this conundrum. Solution. The estimates provided by Time Machine can sometimes be misleading, especially when it comes to storage requirements for restoring files. In this case, they might be a tad too cautious or just plain wrong. The best approach would be to restore the file to an external drive with sufficient free space. Alternatively, you can try using Finder or the command line to copy the file directly. By doing this, you can bypass the need to clear up additional space on your main disk until the restore process is ready to roll. In summary, the key takeaway here is not to take Time Machine's estimates at face value. They can be overly conservative, leading to unnecessary complications like the one you encountered. By opting for alternative methods like restoring to an external drive or using Finder command line for copying, you can streamline the process and avoid unnecessary headaches. And with that, I bid you adieu. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Who knows, your witty remark might just make my day.